Hey guys, so we're going to jump right into this cooking video. So basically you're going to need some chicken tenderloin seasoned to your liking, and then you're going to need this teriyaki with pineapple juice marinade. Pour that over the chicken and let it sit for 30 minutes. I like to cook my chicken teriyaki with either rice or noodles, so I'm going to use rice today. So basically I'm going to stir that in and let that cook for a few minutes. This is completely optional. I just decided last minute to add broccoli to my teriyaki, so I'm going to go ahead and steam that in the microwave for a few seconds. Now just adding my marinated chicken to my olive oil. I did add a few slivers of onion as well, just to add some extra flavor to it. It's completely optional. Then you're going to want to let that chicken cook and simmer in the sauce. And then you're going to want to add your broccoli as well, or whatever side or vegetable you choose to add inside. And then guys, that is basically it on how I make my chicken teriyaki. It's very, very easy and very inexpensive to make. So I will see you guys in my next video.